Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and one of the biggest questions you always get when you change your exhaust, what does it sound like? And I want to show you. Alright, so really quickly, if you want the full comparison of every possible change you can make sure to check out my comprehensive review that goes through every single setup that I've gone through here in my BMW M2C. But what I wanted to give you was a quick summary. What does it sound like to go from OEM to the full active Autowerke suite? So that is downpipes, equal length midpipe, and their new valved axle back exhaust. The difference is dramatic, the changes are amazing, because one of the biggest complaints that the BMW S55 motor that has in the F80s, which is the M3, the M4, and the M2 Competition, is sound. There's a lot of criticism that they don't sound very good. Well, Active has solved that problem. I have the entire suite here in my M2, and I want to share with you what that sounds like. And I want to give you a quick summary of going from stock all the way to their entire suite, all the way through. So as you can tell, exhaust changes make a huge difference in your car, and one of the few places that this generation of BMW has a little bit of criticism is how it sounds. So with this change and the full suite from Active Autowerke, that's not a concern anymore at all. Sounds fantastic. The entire exhaust note is shifted down almost an entire octave. It sounds much more aggressive now, both in driving and deaccelerating and your burbles and everything else along the line. I couldn't be happier with this. If you want to make sure to hear every step along the way with every one of those changes you can make sure to check out the links below, because I'll have my full description there and my full walkthrough of all of the different components. But I also wanted to give you a quick summary to go from OEM to the full active suite so you could hear what that sounds like. I am incredibly pleased, and this is such a great setup now. Thank you so much to Active Autowerke for making such a fantastic product. I really cannot speak of them more highly. They make great stuff. I'm really excited to have that in my car, and you should do the same as well. Please click subscribe and the little alarm bell. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I have a ton of content coming that I'm really excited to share with you. And I'll see you on my next video.